Good morning, guys. I'm having a fantastic morning, as you can see.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to the Anasala family. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be a part of this stupid journey. I would urge you not to, for your own sanity, but... Don't subscribe. I just saved my son, protected his life. Father of the year.
Please don't. I swear I'll cry. Guys, I'm having a great morning. I want 2 hours of sleep. Thank you, honey. So our friend's here to expose us. He's gonna try to film as much as he can in these 3 days. Uncut, unfiltered, raw, real material. And yeah, you're either gonna hate us or like us.
If you guys like it, then we're gonna keep doing more of these videos. Right, Mimi?
Jump, 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 jump. It's gonna be fun, fun. Everybody, throw your hands up in the air. Everybody dance now. Come on, clap your hands now. La, 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 la. Okay, now that the kids are all asleep, time to do what I love best, fight my husband.
So why did you get these?
To fight you. I'm gonna take out all my anger, everything that I've worked for.
Dance in slow motion. My eyes can't help looking at you right now. So much emotion.
Okay, I was just playing, guys. That's just a warm-up.
Is every move you make even allowed? Can't get enough. I try my best to walk away, but I can't stop.
Okay. And you underestimated me? Yeah, you think I just cook and clean, take care of your kids? Huh? Guys, how cute is this for Instagram? I feel like your walk's gonna be like... This is gonna be my walk.
Go.
Now he's older than me and taller than me, and his arms a little bit longer than me, but he ain't on a JB song with me. I be trying to chill, they be trying to start with a thrill. No pun intended, was raised by the power of will, like Luke with the... Hi, mommy. Do you want a sandwich? Look at my pink gloves. Right now we're going to buy a new member to the family. We're going to the animal store.
All the days I wish we had. Stop crying over things I can't take back. Not yet. Do I ever forget? Erase your pretty face inside my head. Wishing you the best of life instead. Well, not yet.
Oh my god, he put his head out like that. Look. I grabbed his hand. He's so chill.
So when you give him attention and you go to leave, he tries to call you back, like he like whoops and bangs his head. So you're like, whoop, whoop, whoop. It's really funny.
Oh, so that means he's calling you.
Mm-hmm. He thinks that every chick that comes in here is his girlfriend, and I'm like, Abby, you're a bird.
Oh my
So
God.
basically, this bird is a woman pleaser, and I'm sold.
So we put the name of the bird here, Mine a Bird Song, and let's see the reaction.
Oh my god. You sound like a robot.
That was fun, but we didn't buy anything. How many boyfriends do you have inside now?
The whole club.
Big kiss for Noah. How fat do I look? Pretty fat.
Wow.
I wanna get too close, gonna get it right now.
Do you want to come home?
Mimi, do you want to get him home? So apparently this bird is $16,000.